By the name alone, you'd think that a Codebase is some top-secret military base where coders in camouflage hunker down, furiously typing away to defend the world from buggy software and crashing apps. Imagine rows of computers in a bunker with programmers guzzling coffee like it's water, all to keep the digital universe spinning. In reality, a codebase is just a fancy term for all the code that makes up a software project or application. Picture a digital library where instead of books, there's endless lines of code. It's like the world's most boring book club, where everyone is just staring at text and occasionally chuckling at a clever piece of code wit. You'd use a codebase when you're trying to create the next big app that promises to revolutionize how we order pizza or find lost socks. It's when your ambition skyrockets and you decide that, yes, the fate of humanity does indeed hinge on your ability to code something that will change lives, or at least make ordering takeout easier. In plain talk, a codebase is where all the code for a project lives. Technically, it's the collection of source code files and resources for a software project managed in a version control system.